With the help of this video, I want to explain how human blood group is determined, and also I will talk on a phenomenon that is Barnett phenotype. We all know that the entire human population can be divided into 4 different blood group types, that is individuals with blood group A, B, AB and O. Those individuals whose blood group is A, their genotype is actually IA, or they could be IA and IO. Means such individuals could be homozygous for A allele or they could be heterozygous. Those whose blood group is B, their genotype will be IB or IBIO. So they can also be homozygous or heterozygous. Individuals with AB blood group, their genotype will be IA and IB. So they possess both alleles. And those whose blood group is O, their genotype is IO. By seeing this genetic makeup, because this is genotype and the upper one that shows phenotype. So 4 phenotypes means 4 different kinds of individuals are found in our entire population. And actually this ABO blood group system is quite important because it has pathological significance. While thinking for blood transfusion, these 4 different types of blood group as well as RS factor, these are actually taken care. So, but if you go through the genetics of blood group, we find that there are 3 alleles. In fact, there are 3 alleles of that specific locus which determines blood group, and these 3 alleles are IA, IB and IO. These 3 alleles determine the blood group. So this IA and IB, they are co-dominant to each other. Co-dominant means if both alleles are present in an individual, then both will be expressed and individual's blood group will be AB. But A as well as B, these 2 alleles are dominant over IO. So IO is a recessive type of allele, whereas these 2 show codominance. That is why individuals with genotype IAIO, they show A blood group. Likewise, individuals with IBIO allele, they show B blood group. And those who have A and B both alleles, their blood phenotype will be AB. After knowing this much, we can understand that how this blood group is determined. Let us see the way this blood group gets decided in a person. In fact, there is a substance, we call actually that substance as H substance precursor. That H substance precursor contains 2 carbohydrate units. One is galactose and another one is N-acetyl glucosamine. So 2 carbohydrate units, that is galactose and N-acetyl glucosamine, they form a precursor H substance. This precursor H substance changes into H substance. That changes into H substance. Better I should write it here. That is H substance. And this H substance that contains fucose plus galactose plus N-acetyl glucosamine. So what we are observing, that fucose is simply getting added with this precursor. Now for this addition there is a gene, and that gene is actually FUT1. FUT1 is a gene that synthesizes a protein, or it forms a protein now known as fucosyl transferase. Fucosyl transferase is an enzyme which helps the transfer of this fucose. It helps the transfer of fucose to the precursor S substance. As a result of this, the S substance is formed. Now, this S substance is added with the galactose or N-acetyl galactosamine in the presence of a specific allele. So, if there is an individual who possesses IA allele, then this IA allele helps the addition of N-acetyl galactosamine. N-acetyl galactosamine. So the individual's blood will have actually this fucose plus galactose plus N-acetyl glucosamine, and along with this galactose, this N-acetyl galactosamine gets added. Now this will form actually A antigen. So if this unit is added with the membrane of RBC, then one can say that A antigen is present in the blood and the individual's blood group will be A. Whereas in the presence of IB allele, what will happen? IB allele will help the addition of this galactose. So one will have this fucose plus plus galactose plus N-acetyl glucosamine, that is already there, S substance. With this galactose, another galactose is added, and this becomes the B antigen. Individual's blood group will be B. If both alleles are there, like in case of AB blood group, then one will find that around the RBC membrane, A as well as B, both antigen will be present. And if individual's blood group is O, that is IO alleles are there in the blood, in that case there will not be addition of either galactose or N-acetyl galactosamine, and only S substance will be present over the membrane. So this way the blood group gets decided. In fact, when we observe the RBC, in case of A blood group, one will have this S substance attached with, suppose, N-acetyl galactosamine. If the individual's blood group is B, then with this RBC, the receptor or the antigen will be having the S substance will be attached with the galactose. Whereas in case of O blood group, you will find that only the S substance will be there, no other, neither this A nor B antigen will be present. And in case of AB, you will find the presence of this A as well as presence of B, both antigen. So this way blood group gets decided. Now let us see what is Bombay phenotype. This is one aspect which is quite often talked. So let us see this Bombay phenotype. Before I explain this Bombay phenotype, let us know that Bombay means the present Mumbai was known as Bombay. A particular family was analyzed over there because of some reason, and what was found that in that family there was a female whose blood group was O. When her parents and kids were analyzed, their blood group was of that kind that it was unbelievable that the woman will be having O blood group. So let us see that pedigree first. Now in this pedigree, you know that this is for male, this one is for female. This first generation parents, they had 3 children. One was male, the first child was male, then a female, and again a male. Blood group of this male was AB, blood group of this woman was O, and blood group of her brother was of B. And if you see the father's blood group of this woman, it was A, the mother's blood group was AB. What we can see here, and she was married with a man, and then she had 3 children. One was of blood group AB, another was of blood group lady B, and then the third was of blood group A. If you see this family, what you can say that a man, if this individual is of blood group A, then his genotype could be IA, IO, suppose heterozygous. Even in that case, this female will not be of blood group O, because IO may combine with IA or IB. So in any condition you will not find that she will be of blood group O. So actually this was the case which brought the attention of the people. You can say that this is proband. Proband means a particular case which actually brought the attention of scientists or people who were actually looking after the matter. Now her husband was of blood group A. In this case, see if the genotype of this husband is IAIO, and if she was of genotype IOIO, even in that case she could never have a child of AB blood group. This will not be possible at all. Likewise, a woman of blood group B will not be possible. Means they will have child only of either A or O type. So this was the reason that this lady actually brought the attention of the people, and this case was properly analyzed. What was observed that this female possessed a very rare mutation. Definitely that mutation will be occurring in the population, and that rare mutation was of FUT1 gene. This FUT1 gene was mutant in this lady. She was carrying mutation. Because of this FUT1, what will happen? Because she was homozygous for this mutation, so the H substance precursor, that was not getting changed into H substance, because FUT gene is responsible for the formation of H substance. And in the absence of H substance, IB allele or IA allele will not be able to put the antigen there. And so actually, in fact, she was of blood group AB. In reality, she was of blood group B. But she was showing O blood group. It was only because the FUT gene, FUT1 gene, this was actually mutant. And in her case, the H substance was not being formed. And that is why her RPC was having only the presence of, means this substance was actually not present. And if it was not present in normal shape, then this IB allele was not able to add the galactose to its position, and that is why her blood group was O. So this was a specific case where, because of homozygous mutation, homozygous recessive condition of this FUT1 gene, she showed actually O phenotype. She should have been of B blood group phenotype, but because of this mutation, this was the situation. So hope that you people might have got the idea that how this blood group is determined, and what is Bombay phenotype. One can say that such kind of cases will definitely be there in the population. This was not the only case. Since it was noticed for the first time, and she belonged to Bombay, we give this phenomenon a particular name, that is Bombay phenotype. Otherwise, such kind of individuals having FUT1 mutation may be there in the human population, and such kind of exceptional cases may be existing. Thank you.